Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're all doing well and healthy and safe right now. I'm wishing everyone the best wishes right now with everything that's going on. Thanks for watching. I have for you today another unboxing video. This one I was super excited about it coming. It's my first BOXYCHARM premium box. You can see it's so much bigger than the regular box looks. The regular box looks this small, and this one's a lot bigger. Like, it's almost the size of a BOXYLUXE. So I've been on the wait list for BOXYLUXE Premium for I think like 2 months, so I was super excited to get off the wait list. So I'll just unbox this for you. As always, I would love it if you guys could take the time to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll continue making more content for you. Thank you so much. So this is what it looks like first. Boxy Premium is more expensive than the normal box. I'll link underneath the link for BOXYCHARM so you can find out more information about pricing and stuff like that. So this is what the box first comes with. It's the BOXYCHARM Fenty Beauty by Rihanna box. So I was super excited about this because I've never tried anything from Rihanna as well. I think she's so beautiful, so I was super excited to try it. And here is what the box looks like inside. So the first item here, which I was super excited about, is this Moroccan Spice palette. This palette looks so beautiful. And these are what the colors look like. So they have a great selection. Neutrals, but also some pinks and blues and purples and golds, which I really actually enjoy. So I'm super excited. I'm going to put this in my makeup drawer, and I'm going to try it as soon as I can and probably do a review on it for you guys if you're interested. So this palette here retails for $29. So I'm super happy with this. Next is a Matchstick, and it's in the color Chili Mango. So this is the packaging on it. It's super pretty. And the color is this really vibrant orange. It doesn't have any scent to it. So this is the color here. It's a very vibrant orange. I wonder if I could use this as a lipstick. Let's see. So it says Matchstick Shimmer Skin Stick, a magnetized makeup stick in a long wear light as air shimmer formula to highlight, blush, and enhance. This long wear cream to powder highlight stick is weightless, blendable, and lives to be layered. So it retails for $25. So I'll have to try it on my cheeks, my lips. I don't know about my eye. I'll have to try it out and let you guys know, but I like this color actually a lot. It's very summery, this mango color. Next is this Fenty Beauty Invisi Matte blotting paper. So I actually never use blotting paper because I have such dry skin, but this is what it looks like. It's beautiful packaging. So I might use this in the summertime. That's the only time I could think of, or if I go on like a tropical vacation when this is all over, because that way my skin might be like sweaty enough to use it. So this retails for $16. So this is okay. Not something I would normally use. I was so excited for this item here. It's the Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick. And this was like, besides the palette, one of the things I was really looking forward to. And I'm just really disappointed with the color because it's not something that would match for my skin tone at all. This lipstick is $18, but in the packaging is to die for. It's so pretty. But look at the color. It's like a dark brown plum color. So it's not very summery at all. Actually, it's not even like a plum. It's more like a brown, a very dark brown. I think I've used like a dark purple shadow like maybe twice, always for like Halloween looks or something. So I'm not too sure about this. I don't want it to go to waste because I want to trial the formula, so I might just have to try and make it work with a really neutral look. But I'll keep you guys posted. But I just wish I got like a nude or pink. That's what my profile says that I wanted too. So I'm not too sure how they got the colors figured out. Next, I got this Universal Gloss Balm that retails for $19. This I'm happy with. It's just a clear shimmery color. It looks really pretty. So I'll put this right into my makeup bag and start using it. Apparently these glosses by Fenty have really good reviews, so I'm excited to try this. And this color I think would go with anything, like as a topper or just on its own. So I'm super happy with that as well. The last thing that I got was the Kilowatt Freestyle highlighter, which I was super excited about. It retails for $36, and I got it in this is the packaging here. And I got it in this shade here, which is called Trophy Wife. So it's a beautiful gold. I could never use this color for my skin. I'm just so fair. I think like this color would look so odd with my pale skin. So I'll have to try it either when I have a tan or a spray tan, or just use it as an eyeshadow because it is absolutely beautiful. I just wish that I got, again, colors that matched with my profile, which was like pale skin and neutral colors and stuff like that. So I did end up contacting BOXYCHARM about that and just kind of wanted to let them know that I just didn't feel that this box went with my profile at all, and they just told me they only had limited colors available, so that's why I got what I got. I'll definitely use the palette, this gloss, and also I will use this highlight. If not for my highlight, then I'll use it for my eyes, but the rest of it I don't really know. So it was kind of like I was thankful to get on the premium list, but at the same time I was just kind of unhappy that it didn't match my profile, because what's the point of filling out a profile if they don't follow it? So that's my opinion on it. Let me know underneath, did you guys get this box? What did you think of it? Were you happy with it? Everything like that. Thank you so much, guys. Let me know if you've tried these products too. I actually can't wait to try them because I haven't tried anything by Rihanna and she's so pretty. Thank you so much, guys. Stay safe, love you, and see you in my next video. Bye, guys.